Right. So get things rolling. Looking all crazy. All right. So let's go ahead and look into these markets, see what we got going on. Go back to sharing my screen. Give me 1 second. Okay, cool. All right, let's do for sure. All right, boom. So we're in the markets today. Like I said, gold dropped down to 28.34. That caused a uproar. And in a nutshell, we're back to the uptrend. It looks like it might be ranging out here in this area so far, but we'll see how far it ranges until NFP hits. Just gonna go ahead and I guess mark up some levels real quick. So we'll see what happens over these next few, but it definitely seems like we're getting that bullish momentum that everybody's looking for. So, I mean, all you can do is get in where you fit in, I guess. My screen's still not sharing. My apologies. Y'all just been looking at my pretty face all day. Oh no, no, it's sharing. We're sharing. All right, we're good. We're good. So have that mean rejection. We'll see if the market just all of a sudden gets really volatile. It's like it might be ready to blow past this resistance area, but we'll see. If we get past 28.70, I'm not gonna be surprised at all. But in the meantime, let's see what they got going on. 18 minutes ago, COMEX gold delivery intentions. All right. That, yep. Exchange traded funds edge higher. Equity futures mixed. Pre-bell Friday as investors exercise caution ahead of key jobs data. So yeah, you could tell some people, liquidated yesterday, took some money out the market. I don't know if they just needed payday or something, but definitely a lot of people were taking money out. Thing was in fear of just a little bit of fear and anxiety caused from NFP, and everybody just wanted to kind of hit it a little bit early. So I'm trying to see if anything. Oh, excuse me. If anything is directly relating to gold, like a general synopsis of the market. Yeah, we'll see. We're gonna see, but we got about 40 minutes left in this candle. So I guess we can look at a few more time frames real quick. See where we are at on the week. Right. Definitely still bullish. We got one, two, three, four, five, six bullish candles, 6 weeks of bullish activity. That's a blessing and a half. Hope you guys been making money. If not, this is the channel to do so. Uh, Outside of the other services that I offer currently, this is Lions Wall Street Trading School. This is us trading live right now. So if this is your first time seeing candlesticks, which are these beautiful things right here. Not going to go over a whole lesson because we're in live trading, but in the same session, I want you guys to know we do offer trading class for you guys so you can understand how to read these markets, how to mark up the markets, and how to make money from these markets. All right. So let's go ahead and go through run through real quick. Minimize this. Market today. What the gold. Definitely looks like it's lulling right now. So sleepy market right now. So we'll see what happens in a moment. But it does have 18% change. So it's crazy they don't even have the change rate up here normally like they do. I wonder why that is. Maybe at 9:30 they will. Actually never seen that before. Maybe it's my screen. Let me refresh it. Yeah, there we go. Okay, it's my screen. I'll go say that's interesting. Never saw that one before. Yeah, getting over that. Yep. 2870 portion looks like we might be breaking some support. I'm gonna go ahead and get in for this first trade. It. So we're back in the game. So it looks like we're going to have a lot of bullish momentum here. So I'm interested to see how NFP affects the day. Sure am. Got a new higher high. It's good news. Let's run through these markets real quick. Gold versus the Aussie dollar. Let's go ahead and get this marked up for you guys. Dollar, gold versus the Aussie dollar looks to be on the same bullish momentum. I'm gonna go ahead and place a trade there for a buy. Finally broke some resistance. It's early morning. Early morning market action. Gotta love it. Consumption. Gold versus euro. You can find there, same exact pattern. And it looks like all engines are revving right now. I want to see how this NFP comes into place. We will see what happens. Yeah, eternal twins making my job easy. Hey, what's going on, Kane?
Hey, good morning. How you doing?
Got some fraternal twins going on. Most of these markets are looking pretty similar.
How's the day looking
Right
so
now,
far?
after having all this indecisiveness, looks like they finally decided to pick a direction. We just broke resistance. So we should be smooth sellings. See if it respects this trend line right there, but I don't think it will. See what happens. Definitely a lot of buying momentum after gold hit a lower low of 20 or 34, but all this rejection and the double bottom are back in action for the bullish run. So we'll see how long this goes on for, and I'm pretty sure NFP will happen any moment here. So we're everybody's kind of waiting on that right now, I'm sure. No, we'll see or will not see from a bullish market is for it to go back down to where it started. So you got in early on this one, good on you. And outside of NFP, I don't think you would have anything to worry about. But honestly, they said NFP is supposed to be bullish, so see what happens. But I never really rely on those reports that they have. I think I just I normally choose to stay out of it. So we'll see what happens. I'm staying hopeful, staying optimistic that we stay in a bullish environment. But I could definitely see us hitting well over 2,900 today. Let's move over to finish marking up gold versus euro. Some see, this looks like this might be acting as support. See, they've got some multiple evidence even back here, so let's it's marked up properly. Big spell right there. That's a lot of touches right there. So if anything, next best price for gold versus euro would probably be to get in at 27.60 62 for a pullback. That's what I would be waiting for. Like I said, I'm probably gonna wait till about 11 to actually place another trade. I just want to wait till after all the excitement and stuff goes down from NFP, because clearly when it does happen, things could get quite wild. So let's move on to gold versus the Great British Pound. Get this marked up. Similar. Looks like they haven't been as volatile, but well, and hey, Kane, I was looking for some videos for how to mark up charts. I feel like I might have had one. I just haven't found it yet, but I haven't forgot about that request of yours. Just I was just trying to find a video because it's not a specific video, but it does kind of go over how to mark up charts. I didn't want to do a full lesson during a live session, but in a nutshell, I'm just making sure that I have enough touches in the body of the candles, not the wicks of the candles, the body of the candles, where the body actually is. So it's a touch here, touch here, touch here, touch here, right? Then there's a touch here. Then this kind of just broke support. I'm sorry, resistance. So we'll see what happens there. But that's basically what you're looking at for when you're drawing up your support and resistance levels. And then for trends, same thing. You just want to make sure that the touches are on the bodies of the candles. And so I know that this is no longer uptrending anymore because it came down here and broke past this line, started doing some ranging. You got me? But that's basically kind of how you want to think about it when you're drawing up trend levels. Uh, Damn, looking like we're bullish. It looks like across all boards we're bullish. And I was looking at it last night and it was pretty much showing the same thing for even the indexes and the other markets out there, crypto and all that. Yeah, it's like we're bullish across all the boards right now. So we'll see what happens here shortly. Let's move on to gold versus CAD. And for next best price for, I'll mark this as an alert, but next best price for gold versus Great British Pound, I would say would be 2303 area. Wait for a pullback to get in if we even have one. Because the way these markets are moving in an upward fashion right now, I don't think it's pulling back. So I went ahead and got in for a buy, but I don't think I'm going to place any more trades. It's for a low lot size on a bigger account, so I'm not really worried about it. At the same time, yeah, trade accordingly. Trade accordingly. I'm really kind of waiting on this NFP to do its thing. Gold holds near record high 7 minutes ago. Yep. So we're heading back towards this way for sure. Say Great British Pound got all the way to 2320. So that's definitely gonna get past the day, I feel like, at some point. Moving on to gold versus CAD, Canadian dollar. Same thing up. It looks like we can actually draw this a little further, actually. A little further out. Follow right there. Split the difference. So if you're looking at the screen, Kane, there's a touch here, touches here. Sometimes it's okay to go through the candles. You always want to get the bottoms of the candles if you're doing a trend line. I mean, if you're trying to draw a trend channel, something like this, where it's a top and bottom of a, then it would look something like this, but you want to get as many of the tops at that point. But when I'm looking for a trend, I'm just going at the bottoms of the bodies of the candles, and it touches here, touches here, touches here similar. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to show that there's multiple touches so that it confirms that that's a level that's being respected is what you're looking for. That price is being respected at. All right. So I'm gonna get rid of this real quick and finish marking this one. But that would be a trend channel right there. We're gonna get some more support and resistance in here. And I just found out gold on my broker or on liquid brokers rather. I have a few other brokers that I didn't check in for, but gold versus Great British Pound, gold versus Canadian dollar, and gold versus the Swiss franc. They do not trade with my broker, so we only have access to gold versus the U.S. dollar, gold versus the Aussie dollar, and gold versus the euro. So just a heads up, if you are one of the students from Lions Wall Street Trading School and you're looking to trade, those are the 3 gold pairs that we have to work with. All right, now if we can get past those right here, we'll have a new high the rest of the day. I'm almost guaranteeing that if everything that's supposed to happen happens. Yeah, off to the races. Here we go. And it's really interesting. Most Fridays can be a little bit bearish. Most Fridays, I'm not gonna say all Fridays, but most Fridays I feel like be a bit bearish just because people are, trying to take their money. But at some point I do expect some liquidation throughout the day, especially if we have a huge uptrending day. If we get to like, all highs for all these different markets, which it looks like we are, then yeah. But for best price to get in for all CAD, I mean, if we can get a pullback down here to 4106, that would be ideal. But like I said, I don't know if we're necessarily going to do that. Not saying it's not. Obviously, it's gold. It definitely could return back down there. But I mean, this is one candle. I feel like the next one is going to be bullish as well. Or at the top of the morning, markets just open, banks just open. So yeah, we'll see what happens here in a moment. Trying to break past this 4115 area. Let's go over to Swiss franc. Just marked up. Definitely looks a little bit different. Different over there. That's fine. Definitely, this one has stayed on trend. I wish we could trade Swiss franc because I was trying, and that's how I found out that we couldn't. Because I saw some opportunities to trade the other day, and yeah, and I was like, goodness gracious. So nonetheless, I'm pretty sure Hugo. I wouldn't be surprised if Hugo's way does allow you to. And then I know Forex Factory as well. I wouldn't be surprised if they allow you to as well. So check in with your brokers. But if you're looking to trade gold with me, check in with your brokers. But I do have at least three of those markets if you want to trade with the broker that I use. Um, they're very low spreads, very low commission, so you get to keep a lot more of your money. But if you do want to trade these other markets, you will have to look elsewhere. Go ahead and jump back over to that's a candle right there if I've ever seen one. Back over here to gold versus the US dollar. Things are looking quite bullish, right? 16 minutes before the 10 o'clock hour. Definitely headed towards new record highs once again. So we have ahead and send an alert. Let's go for the record high, 28.82 for gold. Definitely see it getting to 2,900 and higher today. So see what happens. Keep sending out signals today, probably like around 11 o'clock with our WhatsApp group. So if you're not on WhatsApp, we just switched over there from Telegram. So give me a minute for my administrator to get some things together, but we will be sending out some signals here shortly, and throughout next week. And I might even have some crypto signals sent out this weekend as well too, if you do want to trade on the weekend. That trend line as resistance now, if it does, that's a beautiful thing. They use this trend line as a resistance. That'll be dope. See what's going on over here. I'm still working up that way. minutes. 10 o'clock hour. If this candle closes on the uptrend, on this if it closes above this, it's gonna be crazy. So we're just waiting on this 10 minutes. Hopefully this candle doesn't retract too much. Projection finally looks like in projection areas. Yeah, I'm just trying to push past this right here. This little area right here. Okay, we kind of already did, but we'll see. Pull back right there. Like some more indecision, but definitely a lot of bullish trading going on. So we'll see what go. It looks like the bubble has deflated. So those pullbacks are here. Once again, I believe I had an alarm set. Looks like it's about to be hit here in a second for that pullback. And we have 8 minutes left in this candle. So if it goes all the way back down here, that's gonna be crazy. Gold definitely seems to be holding, but it doesn't mean it's not gonna retract more before the hour, so see what happens. Stay tuned, stay tuned. Just wanna, and I feel like NFP is not gonna respect any of these levels I'm drawing, but we'll see what happens. So that subsides, I would like to see what happens with the market. I'll say it like that. Or at least for NFP at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So yeah, effects have not quite subsided yet. So I'm thinking maybe in this next 10 o'clock hour, might end up seeing something crazy. Mm. Section right there. I think that's more of a pullback. We'll see. We got 5 more minutes left in this candle, but it's not looking like it actually. I mean, we'll see. I wouldn't be surprised if it ends up being another one of these doji candles. Gold versus Aussie dollar hasn't quite made up their mind, it looks like. So here, gold versus euro looks like it's kind of pulling down. We'll see. Next hour might be a little bit more stronger and hold it. Obviously, people want to go up there with price, but it's not sustaining right now. So US dollar looks like on holding. Maybe a little bit of gold versus scrapers pound. We got 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Okay. Looks like it might be holding. Swiss franc looks like it is definitely holding. I forgot my tea. Hmm. Sleep. I'm gonna grab my tea real quick. I was really looking forward to having some tea. I'll be right back. But stay tuned. I will grab my tea real quick and I'll pop back up. back. Here's the video minutes. So 10 o'clock hour. Looks like we closed above. That's interesting. They closed above the and now here we go. Here comes the tanking. That's too funny. Yep, yep, yep. See what happens. Where the Bulls at when you need them. Here they come. So I'm not sure if anybody was able to catch entry here. I mean, I was hoping that we went back to 2870, but I don't think it's gonna happen, but it might. Um, definitely doable. So we'll see what happens. 2870 would have been the ideal price to get in. I believe I got in at 2872. But like I said, it's we'll see how this 10 o'clock hour goes. I'm gonna have to log off here in about 15-20 minutes, but hopefully we can see some more bullish. Like I said, I'm pretty sure we're gonna hit a new high today. We haven't had any bullish momentum yet. I feel like everybody is on the same page. Everybody knows what the mission is. As a trading community in the world, everybody knows what the mission is: get gold to a new high. Period. So we'll see if it happens today. I wouldn't if it doesn't happen today. We'll see what happens, but I'm pretty sure it is. I'm pretty sure it is. I feel like everything that's been going on, especially after having this huge dip, no one liked that, and everybody understood what the assignment was. Everybody was just taking their money right here, getting out the markets, went all the way down there to 28.34, and then even rejected there and closed at 28.41. So, that's what's causing this next wave of bullish momentum, and it looks like it's going to continue. Doesn't have any sign to say that it's stopping. I was waiting on this dip actually. I just didn't know when it was going to happen. But it happened Thursday, so I mean that's predictable. Pretty common with gold, I would have to say so. But see what happens from there. Check the comments or anything. We are live on YouTube. I think I'm gonna. I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to go live on Facebook as well. At the same time, I know I can use OSB, but I just haven't set that up quite yet. We'll see what happens. But once I get those up and running, maybe I'll stream on two platforms at once. Here looking crazy today. Don't mind me. I'm just here for the money. All right. So heading back up towards that 2880 area for USD. If you guys have any questions, yep. Gold versus Aussie has recovered. They had a pretty strong candle last hour. I knew they wasn't gonna be going out like no punks. I knew it. But yeah, it looks like they're headed back up the right direction as well. Gold versus Aussie. I mean, gold versus euro, same thing. So yeah, we're headed towards new highs for all these different um markets today. Gold posted for 6 weeks of gains on safe haven demand. And if you were looking at this area on any of these markets on the weekly time frame, you can see that this was clearly stepped out of rejection around or stepped out of support 27.48, and that was kind of expected at some point, but that's always what's needed for an uptrend to be caused. So we're here for it. That's what I do know. We're here for it. Did you get in yet? I think you had to head out. Good. Looking pretty. Hmm? Bye. Come soon. And, put this new high to hit. And then I'll go ahead and log off. Get back in the market 11 at 11 or so. Place another trades just to see what's going on. The worst case scenario, uh, be a good Friday, regardless. As long as you're on the buying end of this thing, don't be a terrorist. Don't be a terrorist. Don't go against the markets. Don't be a martyr. It's not necessary. Keep your keep your buys going, or you will be disappointed in this gold market right now. Things are on the up and up. Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? It's like, see right there. Closed out my trades. You guys have a good one. If you need anything from me, you know where to find me, mineswallstreet.com. If you're looking to sign up for trading classes, go ahead and send me an inquiry, shoot me a DM, however you get in touch with me. I'm here for you guys. Be safe out there, Queens Kings. Talk to you soon.